off, let's look at how your money is performing at intraday. Starting with the African markets there, we see the NGX there marginally in the green. Right there behind me, 0.07%, and South Africa GSE index there, it's also up 0.78% at intraday. Let's look at what's happening with North Africa there. We see Egypt did close yesterday up 1.41%, and Kenya there, the Kenya bourse there closing down 0.19% yesterday. All right, now let's get analysis of what's happening at intraday. Right there, we have Abdulateef Grillo, investment research analyst with Meristem Securities, join us via Zoom. Great to have you on the program.
Hi, good afternoon. Thanks for having me.
All right, how's the market looking at intraday?
So presently, intraday, we are seeing more of buying activities in the markets. And if you look at what we have seen in the market earlier this week up till today, you note that we have seen more of sell-offs in the market. About 3 out of 4 days so far, the market has closed down. So today's the last trading day of the week. Is basically just investors cherry picking on some of the stocks they find attractive before going to the weekend. So we are seeing more buying activities today, and the market is up marginally.
And Anita did predict that we might close in the green today, but we're looking out for that. But who are the market movers right now?
So we are seeing most of the buying interests on financial services stocks, the likes of Mansard, Union Bank, and GTCO. And across other sectors, there are still buying interest on some stocks which investors find quite attractive at this point. The Nigerian Breweries is up, intraday, Vitafoam is up, international Breweries is also up.
And let's look at your forecast now for the close of trade today. Is it tending towards the bulls or the bears?
So for close of market today, it's very much likely that we're going to see the bulls. It's very much likely that we're going to see the market close like in favor of the bulls to close up, because it's not like we're not seeing some sell-offs in the market or profit taking in the market also. But if you look at the weight of the amounts that they are losing also in the market, it doesn't favor the BS so much. So we are seeing the likes of ICO, Fitting, Access and then it lose very marginally. So it's very much likely that the market will close in the positive. And also, if you look at some other heavyweight tickers that we have seen decline intraday, the quantity traded on these stocks is not enough to move their prices. The likes of Nestle, Total, and Okomo Oil.
All right. Well, final trading day for the week today. What stocks are you watching, right now going into next week that could, outperform the market?
Okay, so for stocks that are likely to outperform the market, so I'll still say maybe investors will possibly keep their eyes on financial services or financial services stocks. These stocks have been undervalued for a long while now, and it seems like some investors are starting to see value in these stocks and taking position on some of them. You notice that our market is largely driven by the financial services sector, and investors continue to take position on those tickers. I also will not rule out the fact that investors want to take position on some heavyweight tickers that have declined significantly in the past weeks, maybe from the telecommunication sector and industrial goods sector, or majorly financial services tickers.
All right, we'll be watching out. Next week is close already. Thank you so much. That was Abdulateef Grillo, investment research analyst with Meristem Securities. Thank you.